This method can help answer key questions in human interface field, for example, many related to olfactory virtual reality.
In our system, a microdispenser jets a few nanoliter droplets onto a surface. Then, a surface acoustic wave device atomizes the droplet to rapidly present a smell.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical to show the atomization behavior.
Prepare the surface acoustic wave device for the olfactory display. This device has an interdigitated transducer with reflectors on one end of a piezoelectric substrate. Additional details are in this schematic. The transducer region has 21 finger pairs. The reflector has 32 finger pairs. The atomization area is depicted in blue. Prepare an amino-based silane coupling agent and put it aside. Before silanization, clean the device with an acetone-soaked cotton swab. When done, take the device to a dip coater and attach it. Orient the device so that the atomization area will be immersed. Next, place the silane coupling solution for use with the dip coater. Then, lower the device to immerse the atomization area.
It is important to keep the dipping speed slow and constant to obtain a uniform film coating.
Keep the